Good morning, this is the latest market news. I am Uliana. The Australian dollar struck a one-week high in Asian trading on Monday amid expectations that China's economic reform plans announced over the weekend would help drive long-term prosperity in Australia's biggest trading partner. Recently, the Australian dollar was trading at 0.9401 to the US dollar after rising to 0.9407, its highest point since November 8. The domestic currency tracked equity markets in Asia, with Hong Kong up 2.2% and Shanghai up 1.4% late Monday. After being disappointed by China's vague reform announcement following its Communist Party meeting last week, investors were encouraged by the 60-point plan that will see the largest reforms in China in over 3 decades. Markets reacted strongly to Janet Yellen's dovish testimony on Friday, where she maintained her dovish bias, which was largely expected by broader markets. Reiterating that she'd like to see the jobs market recover more rapidly, seeking a substantial improvement in employment growth, investors as a result have been asked to keep a close eye on ongoing economic releases as the Fed continues to discuss the prospects of tapering at each monthly meeting. Leading to an across-the-board sell-off for the US dollar, the euro is stronger by comparison this morning at a rate of 1.3493. Meanwhile, the US dollar Japanese yen has poked its head up above the critical juncture of 100 as it swaps hand at 100.02. Monday is a slow day for economic reports, which means that today's EU trade numbers and the monthly update on international demand for US Treasuries may attract more attention than usual. We'll also see the release for the US Housing Market Index, US and AHB Housing Market Index 15 GMT. The recovery in housing has been cooling lately, and so today's survey of home builders will be closely watched for guidance ahead of the hard data that's scheduled for release in the coming days. This report from the National Association of Home Builders will be especially valuable since we are still waiting for September's housing starts update, which was delayed by last month's government shutdown. It was the latest market news provided by ICO FX. Goodbye.